So just the dynamics of living here have changed, and I think they've changed in a lot of cities. And just to talk about like population movements for a second, I think there's this myth out there that just people are flooding out of big cities. It's just not the case. That's kind of always happened. There's a stat called domestic outward migration, which essentially means if you already live in America, does a city like New York or Chicago, do they lose more of those residents or gain? Well, New York, Chicago, LA, places like that, for decades have had they've had negative outflow of domestic population, essentially, which means more people have moved here, moved out than have stayed or moved in, right? What has propelled those population numbers upward, or at least held them stagnant, is international inward migration, right? So more people coming from outside the country moving to those places. That is the thing that has actually slowed a little bit into larger cities because they've just become very expensive to live in. And people coming from other countries have more options of other places to move.